Hello, I'm Jake, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the series TE-TNS stainless steel Thermowell. Dwyer's rugged and easy-to-use TE-TNS Thermowells can be utilized to separate instruments from challenging process conditions in applications such as building automation, chiller or boiler loops, and chemical processing. The series TE-TNS is designed to be used with the series TE and TE-I immersion temperature sensors and can be configured to fit the requirements of many applications. Fabricated or solid machine construction is available with either half-inch or 3/4-inch MPT process connections. The series TE-TNS has the option to be constructed of 304 or 316 stainless steel, ensuring superior resistance in corrosive environments. In addition, these rugged Thermowells provide high reliability in elements up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 psi for fabricated units, or up to 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit and 5,500 psi for machined units. In addition to providing protection from aggressive media, high pressures, and high flow rates, the TE-TNS allows for quick and easy installation of temperature sensors without having to drain process media. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.